kites, because in Bangladesh we the fly kite in a different way compared to India and Pakistan. We just use a Firki and fly the kites solely alone. So this time I have brought uh, a bigger Firki in my checked in luggage. So it is inside this 28-inch luggage. So let me show you how I bring it. So this is the body purse that is made of wood, not actually wood, actually it's made of bamboo. And this is a 7.5-inch wheel that I'm going to put the sticks on. Let me bring the bigger one or the heavier one. So this is the another 7.5-inch wheels. So now I'm going to add some clear coat on top of this body parts. So as I said, like this part is made of bamboo sticks, and this one is in like an wood, made of wood, and we just have to cut it as a wheel. And this is the heavier one, it's a one part wood, and you can see like there is a bamboo in the middle of the stick, so it will give us some extra weight on it to make it a little bit heavier. So let's go outside and put some clear coat on it. So this is how I'm going to put the clear coat. Everything is in place. So this is the can of the clear coat that I'm going to use, and let's do it. So this is the fast coating that I'm adding now. Now I'm going to add the coat in the Firki. So now I have applied the fast coat of the clear coat on the front side. After a few hours I'm going to come from my work, and then going to apply the final coat, and then going to assemble the Firki. So now I'm going to work with the final step, where I'm going to assemble the Natai or the Firki. I'm going to get inside because it doesn't look like, but it's very cold outside. So the Firki is taking shape now. Now I need to put this bamboo sticks and stick it like this. So I've serial all of them. So before I dismantle them, I put a number over here starting from 1 2 3, so that like I can set them properly. And the last number, the making of the natai is complete. It's pretty heavy. It's around 2.5 kilo to 3 kilos. I can weight it. As I said, it's actually weight around 371 grams, so that means like 307 kilos. It's pretty heavy, and because like here I'm going to fly kite like this, which are pretty big, so it really required little bit of bigger Firki to fly the kite easily. So now it's time for me to spool the thread in the natai. Finally my spooling is complete, and so thanks for watching this long video, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question regarding flying kites and like how to put the thread in the kites, let me know about it. I'll be very happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.